welcome to a new video. I'm going to do my makeup quickly and I need to fill you in so much stuff. I feel there's just been so much stuff happening. The biggest and the most fun, exciting news in my life right now, Katsu, or dog, came back from training. He arrived last night, but Max took him to the office this morning. I obviously saw him last night and he's just so freaking cute. He came back so dirty. So we actually made an appointment at a doggy wash today to get him cleaned, because he was really smelly in the house. But anyway, I thought it would be kind of fun to take you guys to the office. We rented this kind of garage type of place here in Venice, and that's kind of where we're running Nekohama out of right now. We can't really afford to get a really big office space yet, because it's really insane, the prices right now on especially the west side of LA. So yeah, we might look into that after the summer, but for now we'll take you to the garage and then we're gonna pick up Katsu and just go for a little love. I'm just doing a quick little natural makeup to make myself look awake, and then I am going to fill you in on the craziness what has happened last week and what 80% of my mental thinking time went to. I kept it very light and simple for today because it's really humid outside and I'm gonna go walk to the office later, so I don't really want to wear a lot of heavy makeup. I'm just going to put a sleek hair look because my hair is kind of dirty, so that's always the best way to just kind of cover it up. Yeah. Normally do this with hairspray, but yesterday I ran out and I needed for a shoot, so I was a little lazy and I just Instacarted hairspray, and I got a weird conditioner hairspray with sunscreen. I have no idea what that means, but it doesn't hold so well, so it's not really going to be a sleek back look. Note to myself to go to the store today and get some hairspray. I'm just gonna tie this up. Feeling so much better. I don't know what it is today, but I don't or barely drink coffee anymore. But when I do, it is from a brand Commentaire. And I'm going to show you today because this is the best tasting coffee you will ever get. I feel like Commentaire is the only reason why I sometimes still drink coffee, because I love the taste so much. Here we got the Commentaire coffee. They're basically like frozen pods. After the coffee is brewed, they immediately freeze it in really cold temperatures, which means they capture and they lock in the peak flavor of it. And I think that's why it tastes so good. These pods, by the way, are completely recyclable. So they come frozen, put them in the freezer. When I want a coffee, I take them out and I defrost them a little, and then I can pour some hot water or cold water on it, depending if I want a hot matcha or hot coffee or cold coffee. My favorite one is the from Joe Coffee with notes of burnt sugar, baking chocolate, and roasted almonds. It's so funny. I always think it's so funny how they describe, wines and coffees where it's oh, it's a sense of almonds and a brief of chocolate, and I'm no, it's just coffee. I want to make an iced one because it's really hot, so I'm going to defrost this quickly. so good. I'm also obsessed with these glasses. They're from the brand Fellow, the same as my Black Kettle for Commentator, and they are just freaking amazing for like hot drinks and cold drinks. They're really, really good. Yum. My phone is ringing like crazy today. Oh no! Yeah! I was gonna walk over to him. He's back! Are you back, buddy? Hey? Oh my god, you got so dirty. Look at you. You wanna play? You wanna play? Oh my god. You smell. You are gonna go to the groomer today, buddy. Yeah. You have 1.3 million people looking at you, Katsu. You got big. You got big. Katsu? Sit. Down. Stay. Katsu, play. Let's play. Yeah, come on, play. Hey, cutie. You know that you are the cutest dog ever? Katsu, you know that, right? You got so big. Here. Oh, Katsu, come sit. Yeah. Sit down while I do my coffee talk. Not in my face. So I wanted to fill you in on a little bit I feel coffee talk is always like a little bit of a catch up, right? In my last video, near the outro, I told you guys about the wellness platform I am going to launch with all my workouts, like Pilates workouts, like programs, express workouts, and also at one point I want to add on recipes and meal plans and really make a place where that all comes together. So I've been working on this for a very long time, and about 6 months ago I applied for the name and I wanted to get a trademark, and the whole website, everything, the branding was ready to go. The website was designed, everything was programmed, and I was about to go live next week. I received, I don't know why I'm getting a little emotional. I received a letter from another brand in the fitness space, which is a really big company in the United States, which is everywhere, not even the United States, worldwide, saying that I could not use my name or the name I picked for the platform. So that means we need to come up with something else and trying to find a trademark for it. And I don't know, I feel like I want to share these type of things because, even like sometimes starting your own business or like starting these things, it's not always easy, and it always from the outside, it's like coming up with a name and like the trademarks and like all the not fun stuff about the business. That is often what you don't really see, and this is something what causes a lot of stress and worries and like more like frustration. Honestly, it's just really frustrating that I was ready to go with all of this. Now I need to like change it again, and kind of coping with that frustration has been like kind of hard because it's something out of my control. I can't do anything about it, but obviously I want to fix it soon so we can really share it. First of all, I want to say very thank you for all you guys' patience. Mostly I spoke with many of you like through DMs or in the comments, and so many of you are excited, which makes me even more excited for this. Like, it's going to be amazing, but this is definitely something in the last week what just, I don't know, maybe like throw me off a little. I am trying to cope with it. I feel we are getting near to solutions, but if there are any names you think this platform should have or this community, then literally every brainstorming session is welcome right now. In the meanwhile, I'm going to have a little breakfast. Made some rice crackers, one with banana, peanut butter, and one with some avocado. By the way, when I was petting Katsu, what you just saw in the background with all the photos on the wall, that is part for the fitness platform, or for my food platform. Yeah, you guys saw a little bit of a sneak peek. I love it. What are you doing, Katsu? Sneak peek? You bring so much love to my day. You know that? So much happiness. We don't care what any lawyer says. The small little things in life that make us happy. Oh, however, you're pretty big. You're a big thing. so much better right now. It's amazing. Before he was pulling a lot on the leash and it was really hard for me to just walk with him quietly. But look, he literally stays like right next to me. I'm so proud of him. Good boy, Katsu. So yeah, we're going to his appointment. It's like a 10-minute walk, so it's nice to just be outside a little bit. Katsu, come. Katsu. Come, buddy. I'm here to wash.
Katsu?
Yes, Katsu. We don't need to cut his hair, but just, yeah. Deep wash.
Deep wash? Okay.
Bye, Katsu. Katsu! Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. There you're back. Hello. You're gentle. It was good?
Good for everything, and you should be putting a lot less at home.
Awesome. Oh no, your thingy. Come here, buddy. Come, buddy. Thank you so much. You look so handsome. Come on. Some goodies. Hey, buddy. Oh my god, you are so fresh and clean. I just treated myself on a smoothie that I literally could have made at home, but sometimes it's just really nice if someone else does it for you. I don't know. This whole thing about like the name thing like just stresses me out, but this makes me feel a little better. It's a smoothie with banana, dates, cacao powder, cinnamon, almond milk. It's pretty good. You like it too? I'm gonna get you some water, buddy. You're so fluffy right now. You're so fluffy and out of breath. So yeah, if you guys can help me with this, create a name that doesn't exist already, or doesn't look like anything or whatever, I am going to be thankful forever. I'm always thankful, but now a little extra. So yeah, comment down below and help your girl out. I hope you enjoyed today's coffee talk video. It's actually really real because it's Thursday today, and tomorrow, Friday, I'm uploading this video. So you're getting the real behind the scenes right here. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed it, and I always love chatting with you. It is literally therapy for me. It's weird, just by like saying my thoughts out loud and like sharing it and just taking this moment, it just, I don't know, always gives me a little relief or something. Anyway, I will see you next week, and I look forward to reading all your comments.